Hello there, this is Al Williamson. I wanted to share with you this abundance project I'm working on. It's in Sacramento, California at 3230 Broadway. And our goal is to remodel this mixed-use complex and then refinance it and optimize this cash flow. Now, people involved is going to be Easy Corporate Housing, which I'm a 50% partner in, and Ideations. My wife and I are the owners of that, and we have a designer and architect working with us as well. CRKW. So Easy Corporate Housing, what we do is we furnish rentals to business travelers who are on extended stays, typically 3 to 6 months. That's our business, and you can see we've been expanding all throughout Sacramento, kind of clustering in the downtown Sacramento area. And as to date, we have 15 units, and we're hoping to add 4 more on. This is how we're going to do it. We acquired ownership of this place right here in Broadway. It's one of the coolest places in Sacramento. Very happy about that location. I used to work down here in 2005 for 3 years. I was helping Kevin Johnson, who turned out to be the mayor of Sacramento, get some properties going. It's called the 40 Acres, and I own a 8-unit apartment complex here with Ideations, and 4 of those places there are extended stay business traveler rentals. We've owned that since 2002, and Easy Corporate Housing currently has 2 units right here on W Street in the same proximity. So we've been in this area, been very familiar with it for a long time, have a lot of business contacts here, and we're actively doing business in this area. Now, acquiring something right in the commercial district, right on Broadway, would be a big win for us. It would take our business to the next level. Right now, here's what the building looks like. It is the ugliest place on the block. And we're going to do something about it, but it's got a corner lot and it's got a lot of potential. Absolutely, it's very underutilized, and this is what we plan on doing to it. We're going to completely redo the outside of it and make it blend in with the neighborhood. We're trying to make it look as the nicest place on the neighborhood, so it's going to be a big transformation. Here I am standing in front of the building, and this is going to be a reference point. We're actually going to use this entrance right here to access the upstairs apartments. There's going to be 4 units upstairs. This is what the floor plan is going to look like, and let me show you around. There's where I was standing. We're coming up that way right there, and that's going to be the first apartment. It's going to be 573 square feet. It's going to be the largest apartment right there, and there's going to be a kitchen right there and a bedroom right in that nook there. While we're up there, we're noticing, hey, there's a lot of opportunities to connect with the street down below. So let's make sure we have all the living spaces near the windows, near the streets, and pull the bedrooms back away from the streets. So we designed our other units accordingly. This is a redesigned floor plan. And for the second unit, there's the kitchen going to be right there, and we pulled the bed back away from the streets. Same thing for unit 3, which is one of the smaller units. This is 461 square feet, and there's going to be a washer and dryer, 2 stackables, so 2 people will be able to do laundry at the same time. It's going to be in the common area right there, and that'll be coin operated. And there's our 4th unit right there. Again, the kitchen and living areas towards the street, bedroom pulled back. So it's going to be really nice. So this is the layout, which we're actively doing demos, kind of stripping it down and reconfiguring the units. This is what it looks like inside now. It's pretty. This is one of the nicest looking kitchens that we have right now. Everything else is just in really bad shape. And this is kind of what the typical look of it is, really outdated, kind of hodgepodge, and very underutilized. And this is what we're going to do to it. We're going to put in some new fixtures and finishes, all coordinated and designed out. So it's going to look great inside. And we're going to use all these type of finishes, and the materials are going to look just like this, and flooring and all. So it's going to be wonderful. We're going to go with gray walls and white doors and cabinets. And this is more of what's going to look like. All those windows towards the street are going to have sliding glass doors looking just like this. And bathroom is going to be like this: an accent wall, a nice elongated toilet, step-in toilet tub. It's going to look great. Okay, so here's the floor plan again. This is the upstairs unit. We're going to have 4 units there. Down below is going to be commercial, just directly below there. It's going to be done by our partners. And then in phase 3 is we're going to aiming at knocking down the back half of the building. There's some old office spaces there, and putting up housing, some affordable housing back there. That'll be phase 3. But we're only working on phase 1 right now. We're estimating $350,000 for this exterior remodel and to do the interior. No longer than 6 months. It should be done in 3 months, but we're giving it 6 months. And we're assembling personal loans and small loans. We're not taking on anything that's going to trigger an SEC type of loan. And we're paying 10% interest only on the money, and it'd be paid back in 1 year. So that is it. And yeah, refinancing 1 year. If you're interested, go ahead and reach out to me at albertewilliamson@gmail.com. I can give you more information. And thanks for watching.